Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to replace a shower head and shower hose. These are the new ones I got here. The hose was about £10 and the head was about £18 I think from the range. Let me show you what the current shower head is like. As you can see, not very strong pressure, hence we're going to change it. Now with this particular shower, the attachment to the hose is underneath the shower unit. So you need to unscrew that, which you can just do by hand, you don't need a tool, by turning it clockwise, like so. Bit of water coming out because I've just had it on. There you go, quite a bit of water coming out, but it should stop. There we go. You can see the old hose, it's now been touched. As you can see, we've now got the hose out of its packaging. Each end is the same. It comes with a couple of spare washers, and the head also comes with a washer. What we're going to do first is connect the hose to the head. As you can see, you put the washer in, and then simply screw on the head. That goes in a kind of clockwise fashion. There we go. And unscrew anti-clockwise. There you go. We then put another washer near the end of the hose, push it down like so, and then we want to actually attach the underneath to it, which we're now going to do in a clockwise, because we did anti-clockwise to unscrew, so we'll do clockwise to screw it on. There we go, quite straightforward. We want to do it nice and tight so there's no leakage, and there we have it. The hose is now connected with the new head to the water. Put that in place, and let's test it out. The water's coming out, so something's gone wrong there. Now to make sure it's on nice and tight to the shower unit, you need to use some pliers. Give me another try. There we have it. The water's coming out. No dripping this time. Should be able to have different settings. Turn it. one, 2, 3. And that's how you attach a new shower head and shower hose. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, if you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.